Hello guys, I am awake, and so I am gonna show you in my home, and so in mommy's home. I'm gonna rust all of my home, and so we're gonna stay our home. That's why it's raining. When you're not staying home, it's sunny now, and so you can miss Reggie all day and all night. And so you can meet Reggie on the cell phone, and so you can say hi to Reggie. Or Amber Den, and so Jelly Den.
Where is Reggie?
And so I'm gonna meet her on her home. And so I'm gonna high five her. And so I'm gonna play babies. And so I'm gonna be Ivanim. I'm gonna be Tommy. Or Rainbow Dash, or Twilight, or Jigglypuff, or Robin, or Sucker. Or all my names are iba, different. And so I'm gonna color of the elemental characters on this world forever. And so I'm gonna color all of the papers, and so coloring the activity book of Hello Kitty. And so I have a coloring book of unicorns and ponies, just like Mommy Sally's picture. Look. Super pony Lily. See? You did it to go to the kitchen, and so you say your mama or dad to vlog. And so I'm gonna show you these signs, and so left or right to go home or your bahay. On the way to your mama is gonna go to the ibang home to take kids home, and your cousins or your playmates is gonna sama your bahay all alone. So we're gonna take care of your cousins or playmates.
Playmates.
And so I'm gonna go, and so my favorite character on Cartoonito character is Batwheels. Batwheels is the superhero of the way. So Batman is there too. And so I'm gonna go to Brian's world every day, and so I'm gonna give Lemon Cake a card for them, and so I'm gonna guide them, but they are in Australia. That's why Ryan is on Australia. So we're gonna play 4 minor games, and so we're gonna go home now with our airplane. And so it's gonna take us to the airport, and so I'm gonna eat on the airport with all of my candy, lollipop, bubble gum. And so they are the 2 candies I will eat it on the gabi. The gabi is bubble gum, and the night is lollipop.
Gabi and night, isa lang naman yun ah. Gabi and night, di ba? Isa lang yun.
And so I'm gonna
Morning and night, dapat.
morning and night. So I'm gonna tulog in the airplane, and so I will see all of the lights of the city. And so I'm gonna see the word of the commodore. And so I'm gonna see the airplane of the window. And so this is so much fun, and so I will stay awake to the end. And so I will love my mama, papa, and Wowo, and my tito and my tita. And so this is all of my home of Pilipinas. And so this is my home of Tosayaw Mamma Mia. And so I'm
Mamma
gonna
mia, mamma mia.
and so I'm gonna show you, this is my home of Contria. And so Mama's boyfriend is
Mama's
Ji
boyfriend.
Chang-wook, and
Mama's boyfriend. May boyfriend ba si Mama?
opo, si Ji Chang-wook.
Ah, okay. That's it.
And so on the words, this is not.
Bay, may boyfriend ka daw eh. Si King Gang Gang.
And so I'm gonna first, this is 5 minutes the universe. So then, bye bye guys. I will see you in the next week of the country year. Bye bye guys.